Where's Cupid? Oh, wait. There's Crumb Boss.
Crumb Boss, Valentine's Day, Woodland Bakery. I am so excited to show everybody this. Is like, I'm so lit up about this year, because this is the first time that we're doing this. Box of chocolates. I think you might have seen it on the last video we did a couple weeks ago. This is something new that I'm selling in the store this year. It's called Box of Chocolates, but it's actually mini cupcakes that I'm going to decorate and show you how to fill up this little heart-shaped box here.
So these are vanilla
cupcakes.
They're called mini. Why are they called mini?
Well, because look how little they are.
Like you can get. Yeah, those are cute.
Right.
Look how cute. So what are you going to do?
I'm going to show you how to make this look like a box of chocolates. And
okay,
I'm just going to go ahead and start doing it because it is going to take a little bit of time.
All right. So
and this is fudge icing here.
Fudge icing.
Yep.
Okay.
And this is my favorite. I'm so excited about this because this is a really cool thing. We've never done this before here.
You know what's great about Crumb Boss is that while I get to film all this, it's just like the people that are watching on our channel, they're like probably just like drooling at all the food. Oh my
God.
Look how
You know what I love about filming Crumb Boss is that when we're done, we get to eat all of this.
Yeah, then we get to go to the gym.
I know.
But I'm just saying, look how pretty that is. Ooh, look it. Okay.
So that's how I started out with that, and then I roll it into this.
So it's a
sprinkles here.
Okay, little chocolate
see
sprinkles.
How it's all like chocolatey, and then we're gonna put it in here.
Okay, so you just turn it on the side.
Yeah, it's sort of like when you went to go get your ice cream cone and they would plop it in the sprinkles.
Oh,
you know,
yeah,
right?
okay,
Wasn't
yeah,
that cool?
that's cool.
Yeah, so it's the same kind of thing.
So look at, how many sprinkles do you think are in this tray here?
There's actually 1,500,354 and 9 and 5. I counted them last night when I was awake at 3 in the morning.
That would be a good thing. Guess how many sprinkles are in the tray and win a cupcake platter. I mean a box of chocolates. Okay, so you're going a little fast now because that's how you work.
You got to do it fast.
You got to do it fast, and she keeps putting them into this heart tray over here. Okay, and there's one after the other. How many cupcakes do you get in the tray?
You actually get a baker's dozen. You get 13 of them fit in here.
What's a baker's dozen?
It's 13.
But what's a dozen?
12. A baker's dozen is one extra.
Well, why is that?
Because we're nice.
Oh, okay. So you get a baker's dozen, you don't get a dozen. You get a baker's dozen, which is 13. Yeah. Okay, go a little fast.
Buy 12, get one free.
Okay, so let's do the last one here. Let's get a little film, nice and slow. There you go. Round and round we go.
Okay.
Okay, good. Now you put the baker's dozen, everybody. It's 13.
My mini cupcakes aren't so mini.
No, yeah, exactly. And now they're fitting in this beautiful
so they fit right into here. And then I'm just going to decorate them all a little bit differently, because when you get a box of chocolates from your sweetheart, they are a little bit different. You know, everyone is different. So
every person's different.
Every person's different. Every chocolate is different.
Every sweetheart's different.
Oh God, please.
That looks really nice. Look at that.
So yeah.
So you're gonna put all the little chocolate candies on top of that. It's so pretty, and it's a big
I love this.
heart.
This is exciting for me this year because we've never done this before.
Yeah.
Right? And so what I also have here is a pastry bag that's filled with some white icing.
Okay.
Because sometimes if you buy some chocolates, they have some white chocolate drizzled over top, like that.
Oh, cool.
Okay.
Look at that. That's awesome.
And then I also have a bag that's filled with chocolate.
So you have
for the people who love the double chocolate ones.
Oh, that
like
looks beautiful.
Okay. And then we also went ahead of time and cut out some edible sugar hearts.
Oh, wow.
Okay, make it look really pretty.
Now, who wouldn't want to get a box of real, like, cupcakes? Because you know when you buy a box of candy and somebody gives it to you, you really can't eat all of it.
Oh,
this, well, okay. Well, some people can. But with the what's it called? Box of
chocolates, and it's mini cupcakes. And mini cupcakes are like all the rage. Everybody wants mini cupcakes right now. So this is a unique gift. Instead of giving a real box of chocolates this year, come to Woodland Bakery and get yourself a mini cupcake box of chocolates, okay?
Wow.
And,
okay, that's cool.
Here's the bonus. So basically you're going to come and get it, and it's going to look like this. We encourage you to order them ahead of time, but we will have them in the store. And the cool thing about this is after you're done eating all of the mini cupcakes for Valentine's Day, this pan that it comes in is actually bakeable. And so when you empty up your pan after you're done eating them, you can make your favorite recipe of cookie,
okay,
press it into this pan and bake it. right in your oven at home.
So you actually give them the pan too.
Oh yeah, this is
So they
how
get
it
a box
comes.
of chocolates,
Right.
a box of chocolate cupcakes,
Exactly.
decorated
With a baking pan.
with a baking pan.
that you can then put your own recipe of cookie
Oh,
in,
that's
or cake batter, or
nice.
anything.
Oh, that's
All
really
right?
nice.
Yeah.
So Cupid's got not only one heart, but he's got 2 hearts. Up there she goes again. Got the little moo bag, pastry
Yep.
bag out.
Because we're actually going to sell these chocolate chip cookie cakes in the store, heart-shaped as well.
Oh, that's pretty.
And we're going to decorate them like
There's the
this.
confetti.
There's the confetti.
I'm learning.
I put it on everything.
I'm learning.
Heart-shaped confetti this
I'm learning.
time.
Look how
okay.
fast. Dum, dum,
And then we're
dum.
going to do
And
like
then-
this. So
Look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. So they buy this, and then they take it home, they eat it, and then they can make their own stuff, and
Yep.
they get this.
or you can just buy this from, or you just buy them all from us, really.
So
Cut
come
out
on,
the middleman.
you have a big heart this year,
Oh,
don't
I
you?
do. I'm so excited about Valentine's this year because look how cool this stuff is.
No, that's really
right?
nice.
I mean, we've never done this before at Woodland Bakery, and I'm really excited about it. So everybody, next weekend, come see us, Woodland Bakery. Get all of your Valentine's, everything. We've got everything.
Nice.
Thanks.